Your favorite SpiceJet company will soon be offering drone delivery services. Along with that, it will also be helpful to police, and these are some of the pictures showing the same. FedEx would also deliver by drones. Wow! Walmart will also start to deliver by drones. So say bye to truck deliveries. Thanks for watching by The Science Dude.